आपदम संपदम चैव समदृष्टैव पश्यति नास्तमेति न चोदेति तत्प्रज्ञा सुख दुःखयोः. This is one of the most important shloka. Apadam sampadam chaiva samadrushtya eva pashyati. A person who is able to look upon the apadam, the problems of life, and sampadam, the positive aspect of the life, samadrushtya eva pashyati. About this I told you one Maha Mantra. Yesterday, one of my very good friend, he came, he told me, reminded me of this mantra. When we are living in this world, attention should be equanimity of mind. And that is the only spiritual practice. Mind should be equanimous. So when we are conducting the business of life, what is to be done? Bhagavan Sri Krishna told this in Bhagavad Gita also. सुख दुखे समे कृत्वा लाभा लाभौ जया जयो ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापम अवाप्स्यसि. When we do anything in our life, there are following possibilities. Either we win or we are defeated. When we win, we gain. When we are defeated, we lose. When we gain, we are happy. When we lose, we are miserable. Now these are the three pairs. Jaya Jayo, then Labha Labho, and Sukha Dukkhe. These are the three pairs. Bhagavan says, Same Krutva. Let us maintain the equanimity. Tato, thereafter, Yuddhaya Yujyasva. Thereafter, live dynamically in this world. Nainam papam avapsasi. You will not have sin. What is the sin? Sin is creating impressions on the mind when you are functioning in the world. That is the sin. There is no sin independent of the merit. Papa, Punya, they always go together. See, destroying the railway tracks was considered as an act of patriotism when English people were ruling us. See? And now the same act, if it is done now, it is considered as an act of terrorism. Therefore, in this world, absolute is only Paramatma. Everything is relative. So, samam, same krutva. So, we have to live in this world in such a manner that no impressions are allowed to form on the mind under any condition, whether success or failure. Now, to bring this equanimity, the mantra which we told you, very simple. If we succeed, by God's grace, we succeeded. If we are defeated, by God's will, we are defeated. Hari Kripa and Hari Ichcha. See? In this manner, apadam sampadam chaiva samadrushtya eva pashyati. Such equanimous masters abiding in the truth, then samadrishta eva pashyati, and this reality which is supporting both the apadam and sampadam, the failure and the success, the one which is supporting na astameti na udeti.